You're listening to the Productive Not Busy podcast, where our mission is to make you more money so you'll have less stress and more free time. It's all about mindset, attitude, and taking action. And your host, Wayne Weathersby, knows how to make that happen. He's negotiated and closed over $150 million in contracts while building businesses with proven success strategies that he wants to share with you. So if you're ready to make some real money, then let's get to it. Here's Coach Wayne.
Okay, we've all done it. Think about it. You go down the rabbit hole at night, in the afternoon, at work, on your phone, Amazon, YouTube, TikTok, right? You get sucked in. Awesome phenomena, isn't it? There's probably more productivity wasted doing that than ever in history. And the two biggest culprits are YouTube and Amazon. So we're going to delve into the awesome world of the digital age. And these two monsters stand tall amidst the ever-evolving landscape of the internet, YouTube and Amazon. Both platforms have really sucked millions of users in worldwide. But are they searched so? Why are they, right? Why are they searched so much on Google? That's the third player, right? Well, they're the number one search because people go to Google and type in YouTube or Amazon to get there. So it's a little skewed. But today we're going to aim to uncover what the allure is that's led to this digital behemoth and these two giants and why they reign over everybody else. So we're going to begin with YouTube. YouTube is actually right up there with Google as far as a search engine, the titan of video sharing, they call it. It's become a cultural phenomena, really. It sucks users in with this huge array of content, from the cute little cat videos to enlighten how to put a light bulb in. Okay, YouTube offers a universe of entertainment and knowledge at the click of a button, the easy button. People search for YouTube because it's basically transformed the way we consume media, giving it really a voice, if you think about it, to the masses and providing a platform for creativity to just burst, right? I was in the music industry for a long time. We didn't have YouTube. A 5-year-old kid on his couch with a $2 guitar can be broadcast to the world now. So whether you seek laughter or inspiration or educational enlightenment, YouTube is really going to have it all. It makes it a digital paradise that really sucks the users to indulge their curiosities. And it's masterful. Now, on the other hand, we have Amazon, the digital marketplace, they call it, that has revolutionized the way that we shop for stuff. It's got a huge inventory spanning from books to electronics to everything in between. Amazon really has become the go-to destination for shoppers. People search for Amazon because it's simply the easiest way to shop, offering convenience, wide selection, pretty decent prices. And in an era, time is as of the essence. Amazon's expedited shipping and seamless customer service, they call it, have made it a trusted companion in the e-commerce realm. So we go beyond their primary functions. Both YouTube and Amazon have expanded their reach and diversified their offerings. Okay, YouTube is transformed into breeding ground for all kinds of people, beginning influencers and revolutionizing the concept of stardom and providing individuals with unprecedented opportunities to share their passions with the world. It's awesome. Meanwhile, Amazon extended its reach beyond detail, right? they have reached beyond retail with ventures like Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Web Services, right? So it's literally reaching out to take its spot and make a status for itself as a technological powerhouse. So why are these the two giants, okay, searched so urgently on Google? Well, the answer lies in their ability to cater to our freaking appetite for entertainment, knowledge, and convenience. YouTube and Amazon have successfully tapped into the pulse of our, right, whatever. If we live in these parallel universes of real world and digital society, right? They suck us in with their vast offerings and they reshape our daily lives. I honestly know. Everybody knows this is a true statement. We have a digital life and we have a real life. And the digital life is not always accurate. What we put out there for people to see. Okay. So YouTube and Amazon have really risen to the top in the digital realm for their ability to provide us with what we crave. Convenience. They've revolutionized the way we consume media and shop for products and even find a career. Okay. So there's this thing called omnipresence, and they are there. Omnipresent means they are everywhere. It's no wonder that these freaking giants of the internet dominate the search engine queries, because they become intrinsic component of our modern lives. And as technology continues to evolve, we can only anticipate the continued growth and impact of YouTube and Amazon and all of the other digital world inhabitants out there. So I just wanted to reach out there because this is really a fascinating part of society, YouTube and Amazon, and how much they've manipulated and moved into our lives and really put their talons into us, and we really don't even realize it. So in this digital age, you really got to be careful, because it allows you to have access to stuff that's probably not always great. But again, it's how we're going to use this. Are we going to use it for good? Are we going to use it for not so good? The intent out there is really awesome. Just don't know if everybody's wired right to consume it in the correct way. Be interested to see what your thoughts are. You can hit us up on Twitter. You can go to the respond button on the bottom of this episode on Spotify and just reach out. Let me know what your thoughts are. Hope you guys have a great day. Be safe, take care, sell a bunch, and find somebody and say something nice to them. Hey, we'd like to take a moment and recognize some friends of the show. So time is a value commodity, right? So why waste time and waste it fumbling with your watch? Mini Focus Watches, a friend of the show here, offers sleek and stylish timepieces that are both functional and fashionable. With features like durable stainless steel straps, precise quartz movement, and water resistant, Mini Focus Watches are perfect for any occasion, from a morning workout to a night out. Plus, with a variety of colors and designs to choose from, you are absolutely sure to find the perfect watch to match your style.
You've been listening to the Productive, Not Busy podcast. Please hit the subscribe and notification of new episodes button and visit us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok for bonus content.